This is Marsha. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. I hope you're having a great day. This is going to be a short video. It's all about me destashing my craft room and selling off supplies for you to make junk journals out of, to make cards, scrapbooking, just a variety of things. You can do altered paper clips, any embellishments, little mini journals, all kinds of clusters, snippet rolls. You know, the list is endless. So let me show you what's going to come in the kits. And these kits are going to be priced very, very affordable because I want you to be able to get started with them and start having fun and making something in your craft room and learning how to do what all of these beautiful things that you're seeing done on everybody's channel, and even, like, you know, here on my channel. So each kit will be different. They're not all the same. The papers will not all be the same. It's going to be a variety. It's just going to be enough because you know what a junk journal is. A junk journal is made from different embellishments, different elements, different colors. And so this is just a small sampling to help you get started and to help you make something. All right, so this is all about you making your junk journals, your embellishments. So every kit is going to come with a small sample and supplies of vintage buttons. There's going to be paper clips of various sizes. I'm giving you a coil-less safety pin. If you don't know what to do with that, watch one of my videos. I'm going to be doing one on that pretty soon. Or check on YouTube in general. Just put coilless safety pin and see what comes up with that and what you can do with it. A variety of vintage buttons, a variety of trims, small little papers that you can use to make the altered paper clips, little teeny tiny tags, all those kind of things. So a cute little bag of embellishments like this. Again, there'll be 8 vintage buttons. There will be 2 or 3 sizes of the paper clips. You'll get 1 coilless safety pin. You'll get vintage ribbons and trims of different colors and sizes and variations. And you get little small pieces of papers and things and ribbon pieces like this. So, but a cute little bag. And I mean, I would price this probably like just for $1. Oh, and 1 clothespin, small clothespin. All right, and then not every kit will get embroidery floss, but this particular kit that I'm showing you is going to get this. I've had it in my stash. I've never used it, so I'm going to give it to somebody in their kit. And so if you pick up a kit for $5, you can't go wrong. And a doily. So again, just, you know, various things, but everybody will get a doily. 5 pieces of scrap fabric of different sizes and colors and patterns. And then a variety of in different sizes of book pages. These happen to come from Jane Austen. This is obviously from a nature book. I have one down here from Alice in Wonderland, and then a vintage map page, which is actually coming from this Encyclopedia Britannica World Atlas from 1963. So that covers the book pages. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's see, how many did I pick out here? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so you're going to get 8 vintage book pages of various sizes and from various books. Okay, so that, you know how many of those you'll have. The 1 doily and 1 12 by 12 pattern paper. It could be of this paper pad, and it doesn't, various colors. It may not be this particular polka dot and print, word print, but something like that. And then various solid color cardstock pieces. And this one that's already folded, cream color. And then I have a solid green in an 8.5 by 11. I have the solid cream in the 8.5 by 11. I have, I think, 9 by 12. Art paper and the manila and the white. You'll get one of those each. You'll get a piece of cereal box cardboard for you to use for tags or bookmarks. You're going to get 2 napkins, various colors, You're going to get one scrap piece of felt, various colors, and then you're going to receive small other pieces of papers, various colors, various sizes. And this particular kit again is getting this one beautiful plastic piece that was from Stamping Up. This is a retired piece. You can't even get this anymore. That will come in the kit. If I find more of those, I'll put those in some of the kits. And then you're going to get a variety. Again, this is from a vintage retired paper pad. It's a burlap theme. Very, very popular in my shop. All sold out. And then this one sentiment page. So you'll get one sentiment page. It may not be a 6x6. And then you're going to get variety and colors of 6x6 papers. And I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 8 of the pattern papers and 1 sentiment. This one makes the 9. So 8 6x6, 1 6x6 of a sentiment, and then all these other ones that you saw here, and the book pages, and all this for $5 plus shipping, so wherever your location is. And some of the bigger pieces will have to be folded. I'll try not to crease them. And this particular book here, you may not get Alice in Wonderland. It could be another story page, but it will be from that particular book that I have. And so anyway, that's it for today, and I hope you will take a look at these. They'll be in my Etsy shop, and also the June embellishment kit of Handmade Embellishments is available in my shop. I'll link that at the end of this video, and just keep in mind that once the month is over, the June embellishment kit, the handmade kit, will be gone. These kits will be in my shop for as long as the supplies last and as long as I make them. So share this video if you know someone who's new and would enjoy this and benefit from it. If you want to pick one up, then go ahead and do that. And I will be getting them in my shop later today. And again, $5 plus shipping. And thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. This is how you can support my channel. Put a smile on my face. Let me do a happy dance. Woohoo! When I hear that ka-ching. So thank you so much, and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.